Sa Win, yan. Hi ate!
Hello!
Babalikan ko po kayo, ikot lang ako.
Yeah, sige.
Sige po. At syempre, ito na yung ating lutong Pinoy guys. Nitong lakas ba choy. So bibili tayo dyan mamaya. Ikot lang tayo. So tikman natin yung bok choy or bulalo. Meron na dyan.
What does time mean? A bridge. Macau and Nice attracts global attention. Beijing, 64 years.
At guys, nandito nga pala tayo ngayon sa Macau Fisherman's Wharf. At bibisitahin natin yung Quad Festival. So maraming choices sa loob guys. So tara, tour ko muna kaya. Meron ditong MGM boat. Tapos dito naman sa Win. Yan. So marami tayong mga kababayan dito. So mag-i-explore muna guys. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go, SGM. Oops. At dito naman sa Sands Lifestyle. So, iba't ibang mga... Hi! Hello! Diba? Sobrang init ngayon guys. Daming choices. Diba? Ito naman ay sa Wilco, City of Dreams, Altera. Yan. At syempre meron din ditong Galaxy. So ang daming pagpipilian. Ito naman ay pulo pao. Masarap yan. Tapos coffee. Kasi medyo mainit ngayon sa Macau kaya pwede tayo sa mga ganyan. So, at syempre kaya tayo nandito dahil last day na ngayon ng Quad Festival. Maraming iba't ibang klase pagkain nandito ngayon sa Fisherman's Wharf. At syempre, bibili tayo ng bulalo or lapas bachoy. At syempre, ito na yung ating lutong Pinoy guys. Nitong lapas bachoy. So, bibili tayo dyan mamaya. Ikot lang tayo. So, tikman natin yung bachoy or bulalo. Meron ba dyan? Sir, hello. Bili tayo mga sir, ikot lang ako. Balay Tablia. Yun. So parang 20. 20 per cup.
But if your product is good, you shouldn't give it away.
So bibili tayo dyan mamaya guys. Kasi sobrang init. Hi ate!
Hello!
Babalikan ko po kayo, ikot lang ako.
Yeah, sige.
Sige pa. Cup ising pancit mulo from Iloilo. Dahan-dahan lang sa.
Sorry!
At syempre, meron ditong mga table at chair para naman may maupuan at yung mga pwedeng kumain. Kapsing. Mukhang masarap daw dito yung pancit eh. Kaya, balikan natin yan. Dito naman sa Patpat's Kansi House. Siguro. Sir, mukhang masarap ang bulalo natin ah.
Sure sir, talaga. Ito oh.
Sige,
Bulalo
sir.
ng mga Ilonggo, masarap to. Yan oh.
Magkano yun sir?
90 sir, with rice na siya.
90 with rice.
Yes po.
Wala siyang drinks, di ba?
Wala. Sa melon kami sir, 10.
Okay, melon. Sige. Ikot lang ako, sir, ah.
Sige sir.
Tikman natin
Thank you,
yan.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, ikot tayo.
Bye-bye.
Yun. So, ito naman Hotel Del Rio. So, wala pa. Close pa. Mamaya siguro. Dito naman ay sa Thai food. Punch. Yan. Sobrang init dito, grabe. Sawadikap! Okay, 30. Wait, I'll come back. At dito naman tayo dito. Yan. So ano kayong pagkain nila dyan?
Thai style coconut milk Thai.
Thai style, right?
Yes. So this is a restaurant in Phuket Old Town by Go Niao.
Go Niao.
Go Niao is a restaurant. The shop's name. Go Niao Apong.
Wow. Wow, thank you. So ikot pa tayo dito. Apple. So dito naman sa area na to ay sa Talaytay Thai restaurant. Sarap din kumain dyan guys. Tsaka overlooking sa seaside tsaka sa bridge. At dahil maraming tao ngayon kasi Sunday, tsaka last day na ngayon sa event na to. Dito naman sa area na to ay Malaysian food. So yan.
No.
Hey my friend, what do you call this one?
Sorry, kacang ma. This is the kacang ma.
How much? $30?
Yeah.
Okay, is it beef or
It's a chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. Mano. Where you from?
Manok
Yeah, mano.
from Philippines.
Yes. I can see.
Okay, so $30. Okay.
It's a mano.
Manok, yeah.
Yeah.
So hi to my video, my YouTube channel.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm just using for my video. Thank you. So meron dito mga Malaysian tsaka from Brunei. So sabi ko, malapit lang sila sa atin, sa Philippines. So Chinese food naman dito. And hi, ni hao ah.
Hello, ni hao.
Hello. Wow. Husik lega. Wow. At dahil malapit lang to sa hotel namin guys, sa hotel na pinapasukan ko. So marami kaming guests na pinapunta dito kasi for dinner time. Ito, marami silang choices, tsaka maraming varieties. So, matatry nila, ma-experience nila kung anong meron sa Macau. Okay, nito, Borneo, Sarawak, follow me. Diba? Wala man. Dilamin. Oh, it's a fried rice, my friend.
Yes.
Wow, it's yummy, right?
Philippines dito na where Sarawak is.
Lamin is Borneo.
Yeah, Borneo.
Lamin. What do you mean by lamin?
Sarawak.
What do you mean by lamin?
Dalami is the one in the room.
Yeah.
This meat in this is the lamin is the bahasa. Mulutnya.
Oh, I
Because
see.
Sarawak is many lots of language.
Yeah.
It's we are Iban, but the lamin is represent the language of Rang Ulu.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Too many language in our country.
Yeah. Okay. So I think I like the fried rice. The brown rice.
The one is
How much the one?
10 only.
$10? Okay. Later I will come back. Thank you, sister.
Bye.
Hey, brother. It's a barbecue?
Yeah, it's a grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken is it Borneo or Malaysia?
This is Borneo, Malaysia.
Borneo, Malaysia.
Gula
Oh,
is
same.
from... Huh?
Wow.
No, that one is gula merah. This is gula
Looks
apong.
yummy.
Yeah.
Color was very delicious.
A bit
Nice.
Not that sweet, but
Hey, my friend. Smoked beef, how much?
no, we only
No.
sold out on this. We
Ah.
do that with the chicken.
So only this one.
Yeah.
Not smoked beef.
Yeah,
It's
too bad
fine.
The beef is already sold out.
Okay, so now how much this one?
This one is per piece is like 40.
40 per piece.
Yeah, and two is 60 MOP. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You wanna try?
So buy one, buy two, and then you get $60.
Yeah.
You buy one, so $40.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You can have discount $20. Okay, my friend. Later, I'll come back.
Nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Hello. Hey guys, so from Brunei, so we are here selling the street food, and today is the last day. So we're here at the Fisherman's Wharf. So okay, thank you. So shout out muna dun sa mga breaks natin. Shout out sa artisan here in Lapa. Okay. Sarawak. Sarawak, Borneo. Wow. Thanks, bro. Thanks, brother. Hello. It's okay. So dito sa banda na to is mga Chinese food na siya. So dun lang tayo sa Thai, Malaysian,